Саламатсыздар ма, студенттер? Келесі видео сабағымыздың тақырыбы Positive Thinking in the Field of Art. Will-owned functions. The aim of today's video lesson is to teach students to talk about future events, vacations, using the new grammar. As you can see, the topic is positive thinking, and we are going to study will-owned functions. First of all, here I have some questions, and also you can see the possible responses to the questions or sentences. So if your friend says this check-in queue is really slow, what will we say? As you can see here, two options. A, don't worry, it'll start moving soon. B, I know, we'll miss the flight. Second sentence, let's drive to the restaurant. Again, you see two possible responses. We'll never find anywhere to park. Yes, it'll be quicker. I've lent my brother some money. Two possible responses. I'm sure he'll pay you back. You won't see it again. I'm taking my driving test tomorrow. A, it'll go well. You'll see, you won't pass. I'm selling my old laptop on eBay. A, you'll sell it easily. B, nobody will buy it. Hurry, we're in the final. A, yes, but we'll lose. B, yes, I'm sure we'll win. Number 7, I'm having Japanese classes next week. Two responses. That'll be interesting. You'll never learn it. The last, we are going to see the film in English. You won't understand the word. You'll love it, and it'll be good practice. So think about these responses and what do you think? Are you an optimist or pessimist? Okay, now let's listen.
6.3 Optimist, pessimist. 1.
This check-in queue is really slow.
Don't worry, it'll start moving soon.
Optimist.
This check-in queue is really slow.
I know. We'll miss the flight.
Okay, so the first response, don't worry, it'll start moving soon. This is answer of optimist. The second person, the second response, pessimist's answer.
Pessimist. 2.
Let's drive to the restaurant.
We'll never find anywhere to park.
Pessimist.
Let's drive to the restaurant.
Yes, it'll be quicker.
Optimist. 3.
I've lent my brother some money.
I'm sure he'll pay you back.
Optimist.
I've lent my brother some money.
You won't see it again.
Pessimist. 4.
I'm taking my driving test tomorrow.
It'll go well, you'll see.
Optimist.
I'm taking my driving test tomorrow.
You won't pass.
Pessimist. 5.
I'm selling my old laptop on eBay.
You'll sell it easily.
Optimist.
I'm selling my old laptop on eBay.
Nobody will buy it.
Pessimist. 6.
Hooray! We're in the final.
Yes, but we'll lose.
Pessimist.
Hooray! We're in the final.
Yes, I'm sure we'll win.
Optimist. 7.
I'm having Japanese classes next week.
That'll be interesting.
Optimist.
I'm having Japanese classes next week.
You'll never learn it.
Pessimist. 8.
We're going to see the film in English.
You won't understand a word.
Pessimist.
We're going to see the film in English.
You'll love it, and it'll be good practice.
Optimist.
Okay, so I hope that you are an optimist and you have chosen optimistic responses to your friends' words.
6.3. Optimist.
Okay. So next question, when we use will-owned functions. So now we are moving to the grammar point. Will-owned we use when we make predictions, when we make decisions, when we make promises and offers. Яғни will-owned functions'ын қай кезде қолдана аламыз? Prediction болжам жасағанда, decisions шешім қабылдағанда, promises уәде бергенде, offers және ұсыныс жасағанда. So look at this table, how we can make sentences with will and owned. Remember the form of will is the same for all persons. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For all of them, we use will. And contraction will, we use I all, he all, they all, we all, she'll, he'll, and so on. So if you wanted to make question, so we put will in the beginning of sentence before the subject. For example, will I, will you, will he, will she, will it, will we, will they, will it. And the response, yes, I will. Yes, he will. Yes, they will. Negative form of the sentence, no, I owned. No, he owned. We often use will owned and plus infinitive for future predictions when we wanted to say that things we think yes or no about the future. So also here you can see the examples of using will, I'll. This is short form. I'll be late. I'll be late for work. You'll break. She'll miss the train. It'll rain. It'll rain tomorrow. They'll fail. They'll fail the exam. So again, so the will, won't, shall. So as I said, we can use when we make decisions, offers, promises. So these are the examples. For example, I won't stay for dinner. I think I'll go home early. Offers, I'll help you with your homework. Shall I open the window? Promises, I'll always love you. I won't tell anybody. So let's practice the use of will and owned by matching the sentences. For example, I'm thirsty. Yes. The right answer, I'll get you a glass of water. I have a headache. So, shall I turn off the music? It's hot in here. Shall I open the window? I haven't got any milk. I'll buy some on my way home. I left my wallet at home. I'll lend you some money. So if you mentioned the responses, all the responses are optimistic and positive. So what we have learned during this video lesson. So we have learned about will, owned function, and also we can give someone advice to be positive.